All right, guys, so today we are making spaghetti. We're gonna make a healthier version of that spaghetti. I'm gonna switch the pasta like most people use with some butternut squash. And we're excited to share this one with you. It's definitely one of our favorites. All right, guys, so step one, we are gonna go ahead and turn the oven on. We will take olive oil, throw about a tablespoon or so onto that pan, just so that the ground beef is not gonna be sticking to the pan. So Alex will throw a little more than a tablespoon on there.
This is a big meal.
And then from there, she'll make it go all around the pan. We're gonna take the ground beef. And she'll pour that on there. And so she'll just kind of break it up. She's gonna break that up and basically let it cook in the oven. Once the ground beef is almost done, we're gonna go ahead and take our marinara sauce. This is just one that we picked up from Whole Foods. And actually what we do with this is we just use half of the container instead of the whole thing. You really don't have to use the whole thing and it still has a really, really good taste to it. So, she's gonna go ahead and start cooking the ground beef here. We'll give that a few minutes and then we'll add in the marinara sauce. All right, guys, so the ground beef is almost done. So what I'm gonna do there now is I'm gonna go ahead and take my marinara sauce. I'm gonna pour about half of this container into there. And yes, be careful when you're pouring it so that it doesn't go all over the backsplash. From there, Alex is going to take the butternut squash, and if y'all, hold on. And if you look at the butternut squash here, it's already been chopped up, so it's pre-cut. You can get that at Whole Foods or Trader Joe's. I think you can actually get that at quite a few grocery stores now. But we'll pour all of that into there as well. And then from there, we're just going to mix everything up. And we're gonna grab a cover to the pan. So we'll put a cover on there and we're gonna basically let the ground beef finish cooking as it's steaming the butternut squash. Oh yeah, guys, almost forgot. Well, actually I was gonna use these mushrooms on the burger, but we're gonna go ahead and throw it into the spaghetti instead. So I'll open up this package. You can put whatever serving size you would like, depending upon how much spaghetti you're cooking. But I'll typically just take a handful or two and throw it in there. And then once again, we'll just mix everything up. We're gonna throw a cover onto that and we'll let that sit for probably 5 to 10 minutes. Continue to check with it until the butternut squash is soft. You definitely don't want that to be hard. So it's kind of like cooking potatoes. All right, guys, so the butternut squash, I've stuck a fork into it and made sure that it was soft enough. And so I think we're ready to go now. And then from there, we're gonna take some of our shredded cheese. And again, we'll just sprinkle some of that over the top. And there you go. Butternut squash spaghetti with ground beef, mushrooms, and cheese. Might be a little hot here, but let's try it out.
Small bite. Myself.
Small bite, yes. It's like super hot, I think.
Okay.
Good?
That's really good.
There we go, guys. Healthy spaghetti.